Very good morning to all of you. Now I am going to take mock interview of Punjab National Bank Specialist Officer. The post is Industry Officer, JMGA Scale 1. Okay, my student is engineer. Okay, just try to listen the mock interview. His qualification is mechanical engineer. Okay, and this is a new post with credit officer, cyber security. Okay, IT. So just try to listen the mock interview, take help from it, and if you are interested, my number is 7503235358 for upcoming interviews. Start from may I come in, sir?
May I come in, sir?
Yes, please come.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, very good morning. Please have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, now we are in Delhi. Your interview is in Delhi and you came here from Bihar.
Yes, sir.
Okay, first of all, briefly introduce yourself because currently your Bihar is in news also related to elections and some changes in electoral process and all.
Yes, sir. So, sir, my name is Nitish Kumar. I belong from Patna, Bihar. I did my primary as well as secondary education from Patna itself. After that, my graduation as a mechanical engineer from BIT Mesra. And then I did my post-graduation as a MTech in design engineering from MIT Patna. After that, sir, I start preparation for competitive examination. And in my home, my father is working in a government service as a assistant engineer in RWD department, and my mother is homemaker.
Okay. Okay, as you told that your father is working in, what is the work profile of your father?
Sir, my father is assistant engineer in rural works department of Bihar government.
Okay, okay. You have completed your BTech then MTech and
Yes.
there is little bit gap here also. So what is the reason behind that? What you have did till now? Please explain.
Sir, my BTech is completed in 2018. After that, I prepare for the GATE examination and I qualify GATE in 2019. Then I take admission in MTech program. It was continue and finish in 2021, sir.
Okay. After that, you are worked anywhere or you are selected for any job till now?
Yes, sir. In this meantime, sir, I will selected as a sub inspector in the Bihar government services. But unfortunately, I cannot selected as final merit. And in this period, sir, I also work as a guest faculty in Araria College of Engineering.
So
And
this job is totally different. You are prepared for like you told about the Bihar government job and as a teacher field job. So what do you know about the industry officer job? Tell me something about that.
sir, industry officer is a job that provide it is it provide opportunity to assess the risk management and calculate risk before giving the loans to the different industry like a small industry or medium industry.
As your subject is mechanical engineer, you are BTech and MTech. So how you will be interested in this role and how you will be helpful for this job? Your knowledge.
Sir, I think that I have a combination of subject like a technical as well as a non-technical subject. So I think, sir, I calculate and take risk management uh, as a level of thinking, and I apply some technical aspects in my job profile.
Okay, okay. Tell me something about PNB, Nitish Punjab National Bank.
The Punjab National Bank was started by Lala Lajpat Rai and Dayal Singh Majeethia in 1984. It was the first public sector bank which was started by Indians with Indian capital.
Mm-hmm.
That is 20,000 rupees at that time in 1984. Sir, it was a continue by merging the different small a small bank and different like United Bank of India, Oriental Bank of Commerce in different years.
Okay.
In 1969, after nationalization of banking, it was nationalized and get a public sector status, and still it was continued.
Okay. Okay. You have learned some later on. I will coming to your education qualification. Nowadays, we all know that an industry officer is work profile to check the MSME sector also. Suppose you are going. Suppose we have to enhance our MSME sector. Then which type of guidance is given by you?
Sir, I try to expand MSME by providing different loan system of bank and different scheme of bank to the MSME company, and I try to convince to start up small level or medium enterprises by using our schemes and different initiative which was given by government.
Okay, Nitish, nowadays we all know that in banking industry there are different types of changes, either physically or digitally. Yes or no?
Yes, yes,
So suppose some customer are there, they are dissatisfied with digital banking or how to start the digital banking of PNB. So how will you assess the industry, this digital marketing, and guide the customer or guide your
sir.
staff to guide the customer?
Yes, sir. First of all, I try to listen the main crux of their problem. After that, I use a banking grievances system also,
Mm-hmm.
and I try to locate the main problem and assign this problem at a multi-stage resolving method with my teammates. And if this problem is not solved, then I also take some help from my senior and colleagues.
In banking industry, we all know that NPA is a big problem. So as an industry officer, what type of precaution do you take before giving the loan to an individual, means retail sector, or an corporate sector, wholesale?
Yes, sir. The non-performing asset is the big problem of recent banking. So I try to solve this NPA problem by enhancing by different multi-stage KYC, or by knowing the uh, collateral of a company.
Mm-hmm.
We use different identification and different different means different technology to sacrifice their to segregate their whatever was a high risk or low risk or medium risk.
Okay,
I also want to use some technical aspects that AI chatbots is recently used in data analysis.
good.
So I this type of things is used to reduce.
What is the mobile banking app name of PNB?
So mobile banking. Sorry, sir.
Who is the
Not
chairman and where is the headquarter and what is the tagline?
Sir, the chairman of PNB is Ashok Chandra,
Hmm.
and the tagline of PNB is like bank uh, it, you bank you can be trust upon, like this. I don't recall that.
Okay.
Bank you can depend upon.
No issue. Just go through.
And
Just go through about the PNB. Okay, you are from Bihar. Who is the CM and governor of Bihar?
Sir, CM is Nitish Kumar, and the governor is Arif Mohammed.
Okay. What is the tentative date? I know that date is not announced of Bihar election, but what is the tentative month or date of Bihar election? And some changes is in news recently. What is it?
The tentative date was not published, but it was started in mid October
Okay.
in 2025. And the recent change by Election Commission of India is that the uh, some of the electoral voters who who born after 1987, they have not required to give an uh, date of birth certificate, and it divided the different constituency in 243 constituency in Bihar in 9 division by election.
Good, very good. Can you explain the basic principle of thermodynamics?
Yes, sir. Thermodynamics, and the basic principle of thermodynamics, that is, these thermodynamics are have three laws. That is, first law is explained that energy is neither created nor be destroyed, but it was only transformed from one form to another form. Second law explain about the entropy of any entropy of system, and the third law explain about there is no impossible to attain absolute 0 degree temperature.
Okay. Describe the different type of manufacturing process you are familiar with.
A different type of manufacturing process is casting process, forging process, welding process.
Okay.
Uh,
If you remember, what are the BTech and MTech projects of yours?
yes, my BTech project is I do two projects in BTech. My minor project is design and fabrication of the pipeline robot, and second minor project is study of conveyor belts and study of static and dynamic load of conveyor belt. And my MTech project is design and manufacture and stress analysis of the leaf spring system.
Okay. Can you explain the concept of tolerance analysis and its importance in mechanical engineering design?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, yeah, if any element which was designed for something dimension, that is like a 50 centimeter dimension. So the tolerance is plus minus plus minus 0.05 or 0.02. It's a plus minus the gap between these is called tolerance. So
Okay.
there is nothing is perfect in
You heard a term flywheel, FLYWHEEL,
yes.
flywheel. What is the purpose of flywheel in an engine?
Flywheel are rotational mechanical equipment which used to absorb energy and transfer this energy to next cycle of a piston, which was again go from top dead center to bottom dead center to top dead center.
Okay. Indirectly, how would you correlate your engineering knowledge or your BTech or MTech project knowledge in industry officer job of PNB?
I try to analyze the different data which was given by the bank, and try to data analysis by the technical aspects, so that I can calculate some risk assessment perfectly. I use my technical skills also and mathematical skills in risk assessment and as a loan appraisal. Sir,
Okay, Rahul. Why there is a need of KYC, know your customer, in a bank?
KYC it is work as a tool to know about customer. It is also used to reduce the NPL. In this we have two type of authentication. The first is means the address proof required, and second is
Yeah, mainly is address proof and ID proof.
address ID proof.
Guys, I called Rahul because his nickname is Rahul, ID is of Rahul, but he is Pritesh. Okay. Okay, next question. It's a pan India job. If we will posted you anywhere in India, then how will you manage?
Yes, sir. Before applying this post, I know that this is a pan India job. So if I selected, I will manage myself as a daily routine and both work and my daily routine. In past, I also work and I also study uh, apart from my home. So I have experience to get pan India job and I manage myself.
Okay. 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 Nowadays in the newspaper, okay, the war between two countries is right now stop. Okay, ceasefire already announced. So, which are the two countries and how it impacts on Indian industry, Indian economy? This type of other countries' war.
So the other country was the indirectly impact the Indian economy. If the war between Iran and Iran, then the local path of uh, sea, that is the state of Hormuz, the Persian Gulf, was disturbed. So the transport system was also disturbed, which impact India economic heavily. After that, sir, if India took some import export business in between these countries, these were these war is also hampered this import export.
Okay.
And sir,
Okay, Nitish, as we all know that we are in nationalized bank, PNB is a nationalized bank, not in a city but in the rural areas. Suppose you have to promote your digital banking. Okay,
yes,
in nowadays, now industry, digital banking, online banking is very very important. But customer is not proper educated. So, which type of channel you use to promote digital banking in nowadays banking industry?
yes, sir, I use to create campaign and I use some platform like social media to explain about benefit and their security level of digital banking. And also I try to create a team member which also contains some female member which um, which try to explain the female ladies or female member of uh, city, and we can use something campaign like uh, campaign in different samaroh like in hospital or different
Okay.
field.
What is the guarantee if we will select you, then you will stay in this job because you are a BTech, MTech graduate. If you get a better opportunity in the teaching field, so again you left. But in front of panel, gap year में competitive exams का बोलना, I'm giving so many competitive exams that you told that I am selected in inspector post, तो उसमें तो final selection नहीं हुआ था ना. और वो टीचिंग वाला मत बताना क्योंकि टीचिंग का फील्ड ही अलग है. बोले टीचिंग फील्ड से आप यहाँ कहाँ चले आए?
ठीक.
हाँ, या दो क्वेश्चन का आंसर.
Yes, sir. Currently, I have the opportunity of PNB. In near future, I don't know what was the opportunity come before me, but I don't want to leave this job because any other job, when I go, I start from zero, at zero level. So I don't want to start from zero level. I want to see myself as a senior in this organization.
Okay, okay. Guys, now I'm going to give feedback to my student. Okay, my last question is my from my student is recently RBI reduced the repo rate under the monetary policy. So how it impacts on home loan industry, how it impacts on car loan industry, because it's a good news for the customer because customer has to pay less interest rate. So as an industry officer, what is your thinking on it?
Sir, if RBI reduce the repo rate, it means the flow of the money will slightly increase in market. So bank always try to balance this flow. So apart from RBI, the different bank is try to give a loan to the customer uh, and at a low rate of interest. So this will attract the customer to take loan from bank at a low interest. So, yeah. So this will also impact the different industry or small industry
Okay.
that this loan will take in very low.
For PNB, just contact my number 7503235358 for cybersecurity and industry officer and credit officer and IT. Just text me on my number. I will arrange your mocks interview, guide you. Thanks a lot.